In this guide, I'll show you how to use Remote Play on PS5. So from the home screen, go to Settings and scroll down and select System Settings. Now once you're here, go to Remote Play and enable Remote Play, and make sure this is turned on for your PlayStation Network account. Now once you've done that, go back and go to Power Saving and Features Available in Rest Mode. Now you want to make sure Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network are turned on. Then after you've done that, download the PlayStation Remote Play app for free on your device and sign into your PlayStation Network account. Now since I'm already signed in, I selected settings in the top right corner, and you can adjust any of the settings there. Now when you first open the PlayStation Remote Play app, it's going to look more like this, where you'll want to select PS5, and then after it's connected to it, you can simply select it from the home screen going forward, and the PlayStation Remote Play app will be able to connect to your PS5 if it's in rest mode. Now here, I'm using it in the vertical orientation so the screen's smaller, but if you put your device in a horizontal orientation, you'll get a bigger screen. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.